So it has been 3 days since I planted my seeds. Not much action going on right about now, but Mr. B decided that he's going to take up residence in the carrot spot. Look at him. Focus. Look at him. I took the carrot out so you guys could see it a little better. Like, look at this. It's only 3 days and it's already sprouting new leaves. Like, wow, this is so amazing. So amazing. 3 days enough. 3 days. Oh guys, I need to tell that this would not sprout a new carrot plant, yeah? What it's going to do is produce the leaves and then eventually flowers so I can get the seeds so I can get the seeds so I can plant them. Yup. Let me just give you a 360. We have trouble in paradise. The tomato, some fungal situation is going on here. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to throw this away and start over. Same thing with the salad. I don't know if it's the soil or because they didn't get in much sun, or if it's because of the fleshy part of the plant, of the fruit, why I'm getting fungus. So I'm gonna throw this away and start over with just the seeds. So I'm gonna dry the seeds and plant them. Okay guys, so instead of throwing out my fungus infested starters, I read something on YouTube, well, watch a video on YouTube, and it says that white fungus, which is this, is very common in the garden. Can you guys see? Anyway, yeah, it's very common in the garden, and a great remedy is turmeric and cinnamon. I have a pack of turmeric here, but I have just a little tubes of cinnamon, just like a little tube. So I'm gonna apply it to it and watch it and see how it goes. I'm going to also apply it to the other trees to prevent it. So they said fungus, this is a good fungicide prevention, preventative cure. Yeah. Oh, this is a result of overwatering. So if you're watering your plants too much or your seedlings too much, that's what would cause the fungus to grow. Learning new things each day. I'm so grateful for the new knowledge. I really should have put this on the clean plants first before I apply it to the one that has a fungus, but so I'm gonna put these in the sun. Well, not much sun. It has been raining since the beginning of May. Like, it's raining every single day. Swear to God. Alright, so I'm going to put these in the sun whenever the sun comes out, and then I'm gonna watch it and see if it actually works. So yeah, so I'll update you guys. I'm going to just try it on one of the seedlings that don't have any, those seedling trees that don't have any fungus, and to see the effects. So it's supposed to also prevent fungus growth. morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I am just waking up, so I'm still in my moo. Yeah. It's early morning, and as morning lights out, you hear the bird them. You know, straight inside country, my live. Anywho, as morning light, I'm in that water door. So it's day 4 since I've planted the seeds and set the vegetable scraps. I'm gonna give you guys an update as to what's going on and what's happening. I'm not sure if I told you guys this, but the fungal growth that I experienced, it is a result of overwatering. So be very careful and cautious of the amount of water you apply to your plants and your seeds, because as you know, well, as you should know, as you know, the fungus and bacteria, they thrive on moisture and of course other nutrients to reproduce and things. So be very extra careful, okay guys. And also with plants, overwatering can cause root rot. So always be mindful, do not feed them too much water. Alright, so let's go check out the plots and see what's going on. So this is the turnip pot. We have some germination action going on here. Yes, come through, my babies, come all the way through. Nothing is going on for the other plots, like nothing. Normally the cucumber seeds and pumpkin seeds have been germinated by now, but I don't know what's going on, so I'm just watching them. And the carrot, I grow more focused. The carrot growing more leaves. I think this is grow. I don't know if my eyes are fooling me, but I swear this grew. Nothing now going for the second carrot that's in the dirt. Not an action or nothing now going up at top there, so I'm gonna dig it up in another day or two and look at it. So yeah, that's day 4. So guys, according to my YouTube research, you're supposed to change this water at least twice per day. No, sorry, change it every other day. So that's what I'm gonna do. Look, the roots has grown. Focus. The camera, with that camera sometime, you know, it just feel like it always want it, like it want to come flop. I'm unsure. Anywho, look, we have roots. Yeah, girl. And as I showed you guys the carrot earlier on, there is more leaves pushing out. So I'm gonna change the water and thing. So yeah, that's the update for today. Until next time, guys. So that's the update on my crops, my seeds. Until next time, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the notification button. Bye guys.